Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix blurry text on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to press Windows and I button together to open settings, or else you can right click on your start menu icon and click on settings. After open settings window, you just need to click on system from your left side over here. On your right side you will get option called display, so click on that display. Now here you will get option called display resolution, and now select one by one and check which one is perfect for you. Okay, so in my case, or else you can click on revert or click on keep change. If you click on keep change, that means it will save your resolution, and if you click on revert, then it will go back to your previous settings. Okay, so I'll select here, and also you just need to select over here scale. Make sure that you have selected the recommended one. Now after done, still if your problem is there, then just open your settings by pressing Windows and I button together, and after that click on personalization from your left side over here. On your right side click on fonts over here, and after that click on related settings. So expand this one, this related settings. Now here you just need to click on adjust clear types text. So click on that. Now here make sure that you have selected turn on clear type, and after that next, now select which one is looks best for you, and click on next, and it will fix your problem. And after that click on finish and restart your PC, and it will fix your problem. If you found this video helpful, then be sure that you give it a like, comments and subscribe. And that's it for now, and I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.